Interesting. Not as big of a fire as the thumbnail led us to believe it would be. That's what we call clickbait.
400.
I'm not ever going to go back to firefighting.
When was the last time you worked as one?
2 weeks.
How long were you a firefighter?
15 weeks.
15
Wow. What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future TSA agent, here to use my law enforcement experience to break down another video and to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Midwest Safety. Firefighter sets a playground on fire. I thought firefighters were supposed to put fires out, not start fires. Interesting. Here we go. Let's jump into it. Here we go.
This mysterious suspect can be seen practicing lighting a trash can on fire in the middle of the night. A few hours later, surveillance cameras catch what the suspect was practicing for as a playground in Ohio bursts into flames and a dark figure can be seen running away. The suspect then attempts to flee in his vehicle.
It's that damn firefighter.
Officers had already arrived on scene. However, officers were about to find out the shocking identity of the suspect.
A firefighter, maybe? Hey, aren't you a firefighter?
We got the FD en route.
Interesting.
Step out.
Do not reach for anything.
Got that firefighter
Face the car.
mustache, too.
Hands behind your back. Let go of your hands.
Once you secured you.
You have any weapons on you?
Pocket knife.
Where at?
In my pocket.
What?
It's on my pocket. There you go.
You have any lighters on you?
Yes, I do. My ID and everything is in my bag. Right here. There's gas in there.
Is there anything burning down there right now?
Yes, there is. The playground is. Get him secured.
Alright.
You can take my satchel. It has my ID. And then I don't think.
What does he have against the kids?
Smoke.
Do you have a fire extinguisher?
I have one in my trunk.
What'd you use to start that?
A lighter.
Is there any flammables?
Just gas. And oh, sorry, I had to take a.
Is there a can or anything, or did you
that
light the gas
flammable
on
shit?
fire?
I lit the gas.
Okay.
I just had to poop. Sorry. That's why there was toilet paper.
He advised to use gasoline and a lighter.
He had to take a shit right after he lit the playground on fire. Interesting. Not as big of a fire as the thumbnail led us to believe it would be. That's what we call clickbait.
400. The flames have been extinguished.
I know you're gonna take me down. I just want to poop. Sorry.
Yeah, what does the poop
Where do you
have to
live
do
at?
with lighting shit on
I
fire?
live in Ken. He lives in Wisconsin right now. He was just in Ohio though.
Who?
Lewis.
Who's that?
That's my attorney.
Alright. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say cannot be used against you in a court of law. You understand these rights as I've explained
Right, I
to you.
pleaded the fifth.
Okay.
So you
Copy is secured
understand.
in the back of my car.
Very good.
What's your name?
Christopher McCormick?
You're a firefighter?
Yeah.
What the?
A knucklehead. I want to figure out where he parked at.
Well, it's all on
But, yeah.
Which lighter did you use to start the fire
Remember, they can't be questioning him. He pleaded the fifth, so...
down there?
I don't know. This is in my car. Or
Is it just like a
I have
regular-
a bunch of them. Just like I'm a
Anything he answers after pleading the fifth is it's not admissible in court.
smoker and I have a medical marijuana card, so there's weed in the car. But my medical card is in my glove box.
Why are you pleading the fifth and then, like, incriminating yourself?
You didn't use this
What
lighter?
a weird combination.
I mean, they
Also,
should've been anyway.
firefighter
You don't know which one it was.
fires.
Was it like a Bic lighter?
What?
Yeah, I have like 5 of them in there.
Did you use like toilet paper to roll it up and
No,
start?
I just.
Why did you start the fire?
Well, actually, I'm kind of pissed off at my dad and at Billy Irwin. He's a sheriff. My son told me he him, and I guess I
What?
just kind of had enough.
So I lit the
But other
playground
than
on
that, I'm
fire.
pleading the fifth. It's because of my father and.
It's so interesting to plead the fifth, but only on certain things. I'll talk to you about everything crime related, and everything that I did and incriminate myself. But if you want to ask me what my favorite McDonald's sandwich is, I plead the fifth.
This guy that potentially my son, that's a sheriff in Portage County.
Okay.
So yeah, all I did was make a stand about, and because I think something happened here. I'm sorry.
Why are we not on 1,000?
So other than that, I'm pleading the fifth.
Okay. So the nozzle to the gas can is down there.
Okay.
And then obviously there, we're gonna have to look and see if there's anything wrong. My flashlight's dying.
Just look from the outside into his vehicle, see if there's a gas can inside the nozzle forks down here.
That's firm, I got it.
Son of a bitch.
He's a firefighter. What?
They're like, one of
He's
ours?
not anywhere around here. Yeah. So he's a firefighter. Newburgh Heights.
Admitted to it and then pleaded the
Holy
fifth.
shit. No kidding. What's his name?
Christopher McCormick.
Is he burned or anything?
No. I think he's got some mental issues going on right now. So
What
he
a
was,
piece of shit.
so he took a shit.
And they're like, dude, firefighters cannot stand if you're lighting fires in their jurisdiction. That is the equivalent to you holding someone hostage. In their firefighter minds, you're a real piece of shit.
Did he really?
Somewhere, check your feet. But at least that's what he told me.
Yeah, I mean, he has gasoline dumped all over that stuff down there. He almost took care of it. I mean, I don't know why he didn't light or what he did wrong, but there's gasoline trail all over. He put potato chips down there, which arsons use for potato chips. He knew what he was doing.
What?
He knew exactly what he was doing. Yeah.
Potato
Weird.
chips?
I didn't know that.
Potato chips everywhere?
I don't know. I just asked him, I said, is the playground on fire? He goes, yeah. I go, what did you use? And he goes, a lighter. I said, did you use anything flammable? And he goes, yeah,
gas.
gasoline.
Gas. By the way, I plead the fifth.
How much of it is anything damaged?
Sir, you know that everything you said before pleading the fifth, we're going to be able to use, right?
Not minimal. Very minimal. I mean, he got really lucky. There looks like maybe he had a pillowcase full of something that you guys put out. You guys must have been here at the right time.
Because we got the call because dispatch saw it. We don't know what was going on. He just pulled off into the grass, which
So
we thought was weird.
dispatch has cameras on down there.
Yeah, and then
Freaking
when I hit like Circle K down there, said like I think he set something on fire. Is what they
So basically, dispatch has cameras set up, and they can if the jurisdiction has cameras set up in like city properties such as parks, sometimes the dispatch center can see those cameras down where they're taking the calls. So they probably saw this guy acting all sketchy, lighting the park on fire, and then dispatched it to police.
thought. So I started hightailing it. And like he's leaving, so I whipped right here and stopped him right there. And
Dude, that's amazing. I mean, that's freaking awesome police work there.
That's some quick work. I mean, could you imagine if we didn't see that on camera and this thing went up in flames?
I walked into dispatch
No
to
kidding.
look on the screen. You should have seen the flames when he first lit it. He admitted to it right away, but then he's not answering anything. He said he did it to take a stand.
These
against
firefighters
something, and
are so
I said he was a
proud.
firefighter, and I'm like, I had to tell you guys.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
He's an older guy. Like, not
As far as I'm concerned, he's not a firefighter in my eyes.
old, but he's not like a...
Like some dumb
like
shit like a
juvenile.
15-year-old would do.
I'm going to take a picture of it from here.
I also love that he said he was mad at his dad. His dad and the sheriff. What? Aren't you
Do you
like
still live in
35?
Statesboro?
No, actually, I live in Kent.
Are you still a firefighter at Newburgh Heights?
Yeah, so I fucked up my neck, and I gotta go through all these doctor's appointments. Basically, so I do jujitsu and Muay Thai, okay? So my buddy torqued my neck and ripped my C6 and C7. I'm not ever gonna go back to firefighting.
When was the last time you worked as one?
2 weeks,
How long were you a firefighter?
15 years. 15
Wow.
Was it just at Newburgh Heights, or where else did you work?
No, I worked part-time North Randall, and I'm PRN with UH. My badge is in there. My dad is works full-time for Streetsboro.
But fuck
He
my
works
dad.
full-time for Streetsboro Fire. So this was kind of a fuck you to him, to Billy Irwin, the sheriff in Portage County.
So did you just pour gas on everything?
Yeah,
or was there
that's
anything
it.
else that were?
No.
You burned it all?
No. No, dude, I'm just a pissed off father, man. And my dad doesn't give a shit about me, and he's
Join the club.
he's just not nice. Dude,
Yeah.
he breaks my heart. For 30 years, I've asked him 6 times to come to therapy with me. I go to therapy, I go see my psychiatrist in 3 weeks. They're gonna put me back on Adderall.
Okay.
It was a bad decision, man.
Okay. I just want to make sure that we're gonna get.
I
down there, we're not
appreciate his
gonna get hurt,
honesty,
is all.
but
No, that's it.
what's the point of the Fifth Amendment?
Like,
I'm
relax,
just
man.
an upset dad and an upset son.
Okay. I'm gonna close the door. Keep it a little
That's
bit warm.
fine. Sorry, I fell asleep.
No, you can take a nap all you want, my guy.
Yeah, you're going to jail.
Just so you know, this guy's a firefighter. He knows what he's doing back there. Yeah, he's a 15-year vet firefighter. He's a paramedic too.
Hell yeah.
He's in the back of my car. Yeah, we got him on camera, went down there, dispatch saw it, and as we were getting here, he got in his car and left, and they saw the fire.
Classic firefighter move.
So we're done.
So we're done.
By the way, this is going to be a severe 53.
Okay.
All right, come on out. We'll follow this nice officer right here. Popping on the left in this room right here.
All right, Christopher. It's Christopher, correct?
I missed on you.
Guys, this just goes to prove that first responders, they deal with mental health issues just like anyone else.
Make sure you got no. I'm gonna pull your hood back.
I'm a priest.
I'm gonna take these handcuffs off, and I'm
And
gonna.
a Freemason, so, I'm in the club.
That's good. Do me a favor, have a seat. I got to stick to the wall.
In addition to a
A little bit more
firefighter,
comfortable than that, all right?
he's also a
I messed up
priest.
my neck in jiu-jitsu 2 weeks ago. My buddy who started jiu-jitsu
Did you by chance tear your C6 and C7 from doing that?
with me at the same time basically ripped my nerve channels out of my C6 and 7.
No
From
kidding.
my trap and my lat. Basically, the Wi-Fi shut off, but the internet's on in my shoulder. It's very, very painful.
Sounds like it.
I experienced pain that was so immense.
What do you
I could
mean by
actually
that?
not feel it, but it would hurt so bad because of my neck. Pretty
We
much
got to do
every
some
broken
paperwork
neck.
and all that.
That's
You're
fine.
free to lay down and take a nap if you want, all
You
right?
read a Miranda yet?
Can you shut
Good
the
night.
lights, or-
I can't do that. Those don't actually turn off.
Oh, that's cool.
What's
I had
going
to
on?
poop before all this happened, and if someone could let me use the bathroom.
It's gonna be a minute, okay?
You gotta
Good
poop
night.
again?
And just throwing it out, yeah.
Okay.
Well, obviously, it scared the shit back into me, so.
Yeah. All right. So the other officer said he already read you your Miranda rights. Do you still understand those?
Yeah, I pleaded the fifth until my attorney, Randy Lewis, is here. So.
Alright,
Okay.
but you've been talking to us the whole time. But that's okay.
A post-arrest interview details the kind of mental state this suspect is in, which is likely a factor in his actions.
So I'm a Freemason. I have taken a death oath.
Okay.
And I'm a high priest in a very secret society. So you can go through my phone, but I am part of organizations that you have to be certain
Alright.
rights have to be met. Do you
like
understand?
Security clearance, basically.
Yes.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Because
Well, how
I'm a
about if
third
I-
degree Freemason.
Okay.
But I'm also one of the highest ranking members of the OTO and AA.
No
I don't know if you
kidding.
know what that is, but I'm
I don't.
basically one of the highest priests in a secret society.
You've gotta
that's
be
it. I
shitting
can't say
me.
any other thing.
I've
You know,
wanted to do that my whole life.
a death oath on the Holy Bible. My Bible's in my car, so you understand that I'm being serious.
Understood.
I fucked up. I'm a fireman.
Right.
I can't believe I did that. I guess I just kind of, I oops. It was an oops.
Fair enough.
Now, because you know what? Honestly, I took a nap in here, obviously. I feel 10 times better. I think, honestly, I just
You can
kinda
tell he's
miss-
going in and out of psychosis. He's just like, there's periods of time when he makes perfect sense, and then there's times where he's talking about being a high priest and blah, 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 blah. It's severe mental illness exhibited right here.
used my medications together
Between the
and
medication,
had a moment of rage from my dad not wanting to be a father to me.
do you think you're past that
Yes.
psychologically right now? You know where you are.
Yeah, I'm at
You know what you
police.
did.
So, yeah, I mean, I know that today is November 17th, 2022. It's
yeah.
going on 8:30, 8 o'clock, maybe?
7:30. So you're not far off. So you know
I
who
was
the president.
mad.
You know who the president is.
Sleepy Joe. I did.
We're not getting into politics, I just want to know who he
I
was.
may have went for the carrot on this one, but we went with, I guess the guys wanted the sleepy guy that are trying. Joe Biden is destroying our economy. I was trying to buy a hot dog with cash, okay? I did not want to use my card. Oh, we can't take it right now. To me, we're in a deep recession. You only take card?
Well,
Sir, let's get back to the fire stuff and you being a high priest.
you know, we're all about if there's help.
I have help.
Okay.
I have a therapist, and I actually go to my psych in 2 weeks. Some believe that we entered the ninth circle of hell per Dante's Inferno because the collective consciousness has tipped the scale of karma intergalactically because of the abuse of man-made laws.
Before Christopher lit the playground on fire, he went near a residence with 4 people that have orders of protection against him. This trash can that he lit...
Yeah, if you've got orders of protection against you, it seems like this type of behavior follows that as well. Yeah, I don't know about this guy. Obviously some severe mental illness going on
fire earlier in the night belonged to those 4 people. Christopher was charged with vandalism for lighting the trash can on fire, menacing by stalking, 4 counts of violating a protection order, and arson. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
All right, guys, that's about all I got for you. I appreciate you tuning in. I'm going to start doing daily uploads again. This is important to me. Let's go full screen for this. This is important to me. I have always enjoyed making these videos, and I've been in a real slump lately. I've been pretty fucking depressed, if I'm going to be honest. I haven't been feeling very creative. As much as I wanted to get down into my basement where I currently am and record these videos, I just haven't been doing it. I'm going to start doing the daily uploads again. It's very important to me. I love all of you. I hope that you gain something from these videos, and as time progresses, we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, to ensure that I am consistent in the daily uploads, that's going to be very minimal editing, very minimal talking, just my genuine reactions as they were when I first started this over 6-7 months ago. And that's what I enjoyed the most. If you have any questions, of course, you can always leave a comment down below. And maybe I'll start throwing in some live streams as well where we watch these together. Let me know what you want to see for the future of this channel. And I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye.